and welcome to Facts or Frauds.
No! No! God! No! God, please, no! No! No!
That's right, friends. It's a Facts or Frauds toy sale. Sale to fail. It's a FunkyPop Sovcit Moorish American toy sale now. The Taj Tariq FunkyPop, complete with "Give me money, give me more money, get out." D.J.L Bay FunkyPop comes complete with nonsense rambling, even more nonsense rambling, and more. Get the pun? And the RV Bay FunkyPop, complete with numerous amounts of documents that mean nothing. And it's hot. The Light Tajiri FunkyPop comes complete with 3 active warrants and a bunch of nonsense paperwork that will land you in jail. The Sharon Gale Bay FunkyPop, with that fresh out of prison scent. Consort not included. He's still in prison. It doesn't matter if he's in prison. The Jamal Bay FunkyPop, currently out of stock because he's awaiting trial and a long prison sentence. So hold your silver. We got more. The Cujo Bay FunkyPop. No, wrong Cujo. Wrong Cujo. Less frightening. It doesn't even matter. He's gone. The Lamont FunkyPop, pretty much useless as well, because he'll just tell you to get a lawyer and take a plea deal. Prices may vary with each FunkyPop. Only gold and silver accepted. FunkyPop dolls are for entertainment purposes only. Not suitable for ages 1 through 90. Possible side effects may include loss of money, self-worth, family, utilities, and more. Buy now.
Do you like chili? Really hot chili? Then you should try O'Malley's new really f***ing hot chili. That's right, O'Malley's new really f***ing hot chili is so hot it's guaranteed to burn the roof of your f***ing mouth or your money back. Made from the hottest jalapenos, spices, and peppers. After just one bite, you'll say, wow, that's the hottest f***ing chili I've ever tasted. That's O'Malley's new really f***ing hot chili. From the makers of goddamn good chowder and ass-kicking soup. Pick some up at your f***ing grocer today. Remember, if it's not O'Malley's, it's not that f***ing hot.
Hi. If you want to feel safer in your car, the most popular method is to buy a St. Christopher winning smile.
But why not?
And what most people like to do is hang it in their windscreen.
This
Is a good idea because it swings around and distracts you on long journeys, so you may soon find out if it works.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can be in a live chat with everyone else. And leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. And a major thank you to every one of our Facts or Frauds channel members. If you'd like to become a member, just hit that join button right next to subscribe or click on the link in the description. And if you're still hanging around, thank you. I appreciate you all. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that bell. And also leave a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. Until next time, I'll see you soon.